What's good? I'm back. Okay, so yesterday we only took one trade, which was gold. Let me show it up here. See the last one, 117 negative with commissions 56. Yeah, whatever. Okay, let's go to the charts. Yeah, for GBP, I wanted to do a sell as well, but it didn't work out because it would have hit my TP, but it just barely touched, and I didn't do it, so I'm not really too mad about that. Okay, but let's go through it. Alright, so gold was in 1 hour downtrend, as you can see here. Here we push past this low. Okay, 4 hour, we were still in a downtrend. Alright, so makes sense we should look for sells. Now we need highs. So look here, we have a sweep here, right here, sweep of the highs, and then move out, enter back into the order block. Surprisingly, just touch this and goes down again. Maybe that would have been a sign to wait for another sweep, because so far I've been seeing a few times where if there's a sweep, and then normally I put my stop loss here, right, like right above this high it would have been, but I've seen like price do this again, touch, and I'm guessing like if price does that, then it wants to come back. It keeps something is attracting it to that same price. Okay, that same position. So maybe after this, I don't know, we have to sit and think about it. So maybe after this, I will not continue with my trade unless there's just only one. See, if I entered before this, like here, then it would have been fine. But this, I entered after it already retraced back to that original point. So think about it. My strategy is sweep, retrace into the order block along with equilibrium. That's my strategy. But this one, it already completed the strategy, even hit TP, and I'm going back to the old one. You get me? Here's my strategy. It already completed here until hit TP, yeah? And then I'm still using here to take another trade here. So I mean, it could have, but I don't think so. From now on, based on what I'm seeing, doesn't look like it's logical anymore lah. When I put it like this way, yeah, you also think, yeah, that's old news already happened. That move already happened. It's over. So yeah, this is good. It's good knowledge. Okay, now let's move on to GP. This is interesting. Okay, so initially I also had a, what do you call that, a sell. Initially I also had a sell move. As you can see, once it entered here, I was supposed to place a trade where, yeah, I was supposed to place a trade right here at 9:15. I wanted to, but it just barely touched. It didn't even go in. I could have placed a trade because it did hit TP. Okay, as you can see here, it did hit TP and it flew up. And I was wondering, like, why did it go up so fast? Because if I put like my TP just here, it wouldn't have went. Normally it just goes like maybe here, like goes past and goes up. Here's just to confirm it. But this time it just touched it. So why? Now, I would say this lah. Yesterday, looking at my 1 hour, okay, my 1 hour was in a sell very clearly, and my 4 hour was in a cell also, was it? Yeah, 4 hour was also in a cell, so makes sense lah why I would do that. The problem is where it was here. Yeah, so that makes sense. You know, you have two bias cells. So I don't know why I remembered it being 1 hour different, 4 hour different. But here we can see very clearly, even before we're looking before this 9 o'clock line, by the way. Yeah, we can see very clearly it was at the cell. Placed it right here, went down here, and then shot back all the way up. Okay. Yeah. So currently, as you can see in my here, okay, we lost the last two trades, but it's okay. I'm not mad about that because it all was according to our plan, and there was no error in execution. You know, even yesterday. Now, even yesterday, yeah, but we can see that now. So if I'm going to the 15-minute today it closed above. Sorry, 15-minute. Okay. See some highs being taken out. And if you go to higher time frames, yeah, obviously. You go to the 1 hour, yeah. What a sweep. I'm still thinking about it, but I don't think. Last time I used to try trade with 4 hour time frame, meaning I see a 4 hour sweep, then I'll try and go in. That might work, but it should work along the week, not just one day. And we are trading by the day. Every day I'm going into a chart. If I was trading with a 4 hour, 5 hour, I would be just sitting there like, okay, we're done. Because you can see here. Imagine you like taken this trade. You saw this. It's a low. It's a sweep, and you're alright. Fly. And it doesn't fly. Okay, I'll give it to you. The bias is not. So here, why it's interesting is our bias is currently a sell, and this did sweep right here. Let me clear these things because we already discussed it. So clear. Okay, yeah, you can see here 1 hour. 1 hour clearly sell. So our order block for it would be here, right? Let's go down to low time frame and see the last push up. 5 minutes, the last push up. Ooh, damn strong. I feel there could be a sell opportunity here, but we won't know until we wait a bit more. It's still early, 8 o'clock. I can't be placing a trade now. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. This is what, day 5, I guess. Day 5, currently down, but I'm not too worried. Okay, so today I'll make another trade. Hopefully I can, and yeah, we'll see it tomorrow. Let me pause real quick. Okay, nice pose. Okay, peace.